And from the latest forecast to the latest conditions, let's check in with one of our crews that are live right now in North Carolina.
Yeah, so Derek Lytle is in Dare County right now. So Derek, how has this storm shifted and impacted the area you're in? I still see a lot of snow coming down.
Yeah, you know, in the last 40 minutes since you came to us last, the snow is almost up to past my kneecap here, right near the ocean front, near the Kitty Hawk Pier. It's quite remarkable. Actually, when I got up here to tell this story, I fell through the snow a little bit. You can see it, you climb up out of there. But the wind power is even more aggressive, and you can kind of feel the temperatures dropping, which is helping it. It feels like the light posts are shaking in our parking lot. The entire parking lot's iced over now. Just getting over here from the hotel's front doors, really treacherous. The wind feels like it's about to blow you away. You know, I'm weighing about 195, 200 pounds. It's blowing me away. So you can only imagine how strong these winds are. I talked to several people staying at the hotel. Some of their plans changed tonight based on the weather. They're like talking about how they haven't seen something like this here in the Outer Banks for a long time. I'll let you listen to someone trying to buy dinner tonight.
I just went to Wendy's because the food was running a little late, and Wendy's is closed. Everything is closed. Cosmos is closed. I went everywhere just to get a bite to eat, and everything is closed. I've got to go out here, lock up the pier at 10 o'clock. I'm almost afraid to get blown over.
Now he's talking about those conditions right at the pier, right where we're at as we speak. And I kid you not, earlier in the day, those winds were maybe 35, 40 miles an hour. That's a whole lot more right now, guys.
All right, Derek, thank you so much for your continuing coverage tonight. Continue to be safe out there as that strong wind and that snow comes down.